everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I like to share. I like to help you save money is basically what I do. But today, you guys, Walgreens hit 90% off. I went to two stores. I went to the one I usually go to on Tuesdays. Somebody cleared pretty much all the shelves when I got there, but I did get one thing that I really wanted. And so I was excited for that, and then I went to another one as I was heading to Walmart, so I will be doing a Walmart haul later today. But I went out of the two stores. I only spent like $3 or $3 or $4 out of my own pocket, you guys, so I was pretty excited. The one store I went to, I like walked in and this lady just comes right next to me and she's like all up in my bubble, and I'm just like, sorry, get your stuff that you need. I'm sorry I'm in your way. Like, she's just like, I gotta get all this stuff, and she's just like grabbing everything, and I'm just like, I don't need it that much. I don't really need that much. But one thing I wanted to get was stuff to get for Charlotte's birthday party. I like to do little goodie bags. And for Ben's birthday party, I like to do little goodie bags. So I ended up getting some stuff for Charlotte's birthday party because a lot of this stuff's all girly. Paris says hi. But I found these. I did a haul with these on my Sunday's haul because I didn't think my store would have any. And the store I went to on, sorry you guys, the store I went to on Sunday, I bought what they had, but then the store, my regular store, didn't have any. So I'm like, okay, I'm glad I did. But the second store I went to today had these. So these were $2.99, and I got them for $2.99. Now these are just little stamps, so I'm gonna use these for the little goodie bags. But I ended up grabbing like 2 of them. Like, I don't need 2 of them. I just need 1 because there's only going to be like 6 to 8 kids here, so, and there's 12 of them in here. I ended up getting little it says animal erasers, which is, oh, okay. I thought they were just unicorns or yeah, unicorns, but they're actually sharks in here too. That makes me feel so much better to give the sharks to the boys. So again, $2.99, got these for 29 cents. I got more of the finger puppets. Like I said, these are all for like the little goodie bags that I'm getting, so 29 cents. And then I got this little ball thingy. I'm like, I don't know if I want these, but I thought they're kind of cute. I think Miss Charlotte might like them in the future. I might even put some like spray paint glitter on them or something. But these were $3.99 originally. My store, like both stores I went to, none of them even got touched. So this is something they will not have next year. But these were 39 cents. If you guys hear screaming in the background, it's Miss Charlotte because she wants her mama. But there was that one. And then they had some socks, which I absolutely love these avocado socks. Now, if you guys look at their spring Easter stuff, oh my gosh, some of that stuff is so cute. They have avocado stuff, and I don't even like avocado, but these are super cute. So these are little kid socks. These were $1.19 or $1.99, so I got them for 19 cents. I thought these would be super cute for Charlotte to have when she gets a little bit older, so I grabbed 2 of the avocado ones, and then they just had some sprinkle ones that I got her. But I'm like, for 19 cents, you guys, 19 cents, you can't go wrong with that. So that was one store that I got. Now please keep in mind, I did get a discount. I get an employee discount, so my total for all that stuff was $1.37, and I ended up paying $1 worth of points, so my total came to 37 cents for all that, guys. $1.37 for all that. That is awesome. So I was pretty excited to share with you guys that deal. And then let me share with you guys what I got at the other store. And so let's just dig in. Paris, can you just like chill? So I got these cherries. I thought these were super cute to have for Miss Charlotte's room. But these were, what were these, $9.99, so I got them for 99 cents. I thought that was so cute. I love the cherries. These are so cute. I just love them. So I thought that would be a good decoration for her bedroom. And then I ended up getting some candy. A lot of people think these are Valentine's Day stuff, so they can't get them. They're candy, you guys. I don't care about the Valentines. I want the candy. So these were each 70% off. They didn't go down, but these were $1.19 a piece. I thought that was pretty good. So we got 28 Airheads, and we got 20 Nerds. And I love the Valentine's Day Nerds, so I got those for myself because, yes. And then I got these, which I was pretty excited for. These are favor bags. Now they are these ones and then these ones on the back. There is 12 bags, so probably 6 and 6. And these were, I think, I think these were 29 cents a piece, is what I got them. And I thought this would be cute to have, you know, for Ben for Valentine's Day next year, so he can have like little goodie bags. So, because I'm a person who just loves giving away stuff. I just do. So that's what I got. And this is the one thing I was so excited to find, you guys. Now, I bought these on Sunday also when they were 50% off, because I'm like, that won't be available. But my store had all of them. There was only one missing from this. Did I get that Hallmark stuff for... Hallmark. Yeah, those were 29 cents. But I ended up getting the picture frames, you guys. Now, you're like, why do I need 5 picture frames of these things that say love? Well, one of them says love, and then the other one says... If I can get it out of my bag. I had a hard time putting it in my bag. The other one says... Today is a good day for a good day. So I'm like, I don't care for the print on here, but this print you could actually feel it. So I think I'm gonna clear these out and make stuff with my Cricut machine. I've been really into making stuff with my Cricut machine. And then these were $7.99, so I got them for 79 cents. And with my discount, they came to like 59 cents, I think. I think I got them for 59 cents. Yeah, I paid $2.95 for 5 of them. I think that is awesome. So I wanted to get these to do some stuff for them, and I'm like, you know what, that's cheaper than the Dollar Tree. So that was like the first thing I grabbed when I went there was these, and like I said, only one was taken. So I'm like, that was my best score that I got. And then I got just, I think, 1 or 2 more items to share with you guys on that. No, I think this is the last item. So I wasn't gonna get this, no, I got 2 items. So I ended up getting an LED message box. I thought these were kind of cool. Basically, you can just write stuff on here. I thought maybe Ben would like it or Miss Charlotte would like it, but I'm like, for 99 cents, this was $9.99, 99 cents. I'm like, I'll get it. You know, my store had a ton of these. Like both stores I went to had a ton of them. Paris thinks she can bite me, but she can't. She's like, don't you touch me. Don't you touch me, even though you're in my space. And then I got this, and I wasn't gonna get this. Oh, is there something else in my bag? No, I just got bags and bags. I wasn't gonna get this, and then I'm like, okay, what does it do? And I saw it was an automatic thing. I'm like, I have to get this, you guys. I have to get this for that price. I had to get it. This was, sorry, it was a $14.99 and I got it for $1.49, but with my discount, I actually got it for $1.12. And I'm like, this is awesome. And the guy who works at Walgreens, he's like, if you are not buying that, I'm so gonna buy that. I'm like, I have to buy it. Benjamin, check this out.
I heard it. I heard it.
I love it. So yeah, and that total.
I'm gonna take it to baby.
Okay, go show baby Charlotte. So my total for that came to $8.23, but I ended up paying $5 in points. So I got everything for like $3 something. So I think I did pretty good. I didn't go crazy, but I was excited what I got because I got stuff for the goodie bags for, you know, Charlotte's birthday that's coming up, and I just got some cute things. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Now, check your store because every store is different, but usually when it's 90% off, it's only for 2 days. So most likely on Saturday, it might end. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that. Please let me know what you guys got. I like to know what you got. I really want, when I see people's photos on like Instagram and stuff, and I'm like, man, I wish I got that stuff. But you know what? I can't make a big deal about it because I'm just happy with what I got. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.